Hey guys, so we're going to do a quick swap on the antenna base with the GPS stuff and the radio on my car here. So here's the new antenna, the connectors for the navigation and the radio receiver. So we'll get that started and show you what's involved in it. Okay guys, so all I did is pop this piece of plastic loose on this side, then on that side. I took this two Torx out for this handle. You probably didn't have to do that. You can pull this headliner down the center enough to get it out. The cardboard up there is going to flex a little bit, but once you put the pieces back up, you'll be fine. I was able to get up there, get it unplugged. So you can see, guys, pretty similar, same setup. 2 plugs on it. This one here, you can see this all busted open, and wasn't able to use the antenna, and that moisture got into that board there. So got the new one. We're gonna slide the wiring through there and to get it hooked back up. Okay guys, we got our new one here. We got our plugs. Gonna take this nut off so we can pull the acorn, the fastener down, and be able to secure it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. The antenna's working fine. It wasn't a very involved job. Just take a little time to be careful getting that headliner down. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks much.